Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Shamapti and today I'm gonna share the cheapest skincare products that worked for me. Obviously good quality products. And yeah, let's start. So at first I have this Niamax D Gel. This is the niacinamide and zinc based gel. I use this as a treatment or serum. After this I use a moisturizer. This is a fragrance free and non-comedogenic formula. If your skin is comfortable with niacinamide, you can try this one. See, it has 10 ingredients. The first 5 ingredients are water, then panthenol. Panthenol soothes our skin. Then niacinamide, it has 4% niacinamide. Then glycerin, humectant. Then carbomer 940, which is an emulsifier. They have used propylene glycol as well and phenoxyethanol as the preservative. They have used 1% zinc, then other stabilizers. This is a very simple formula. It can work for acne scars, even acne, dark spots, soothing, calming. It is a multitasker because this niacinamide, it is an all-rounder and I love this one. This is very good. I do recommend this one. Up next I have this Excela moisturizer for oily and acne prone skin. This moisturizer is fragrance free and non-comedogenic. It has been marketed for oily and acne prone skin. And many of you have asked me that it has ethyl Excel permitted, which has this comedogenic rating from I think 2 to 3, and you have asked can it be comedogenic? See, it doesn't only matter if the ingredient is comedogenic. You have to consider the formula, the percentage. This product doesn't only have this one ingredient, so you have to consider other things as well. With this one ingredient, there are other ingredients as well, how it is working in this formula. And if you want to know more about the science behind comedogenic rating and scale, I have found a very helpful article from Lab Muffin Beauty Science. I'm going to leave the article down below, and this is very helpful. I really encourage you to read that article. And I understand you get this information for this ingredients decoder, but you need to know one thing: these sites, they don't consider the percentage. They just give an overall view about one ingredient. And what else? It has niacinamide, it has zinc, and they have used many emulsifiers, then emollients in this formulation. They have used phenoxyethanol as preservative. It is for oily and acne prone skin. It's a very good moisturizer. It suited my skin, but I have heard from you that some of you have experienced breakouts. So yeah, do a patch test, because obviously skincare is very subjective, but for me it has been working very well. I love the packaging. It doesn't feel greasy, sticky. I have dry skin, slightly dry skin. This is for oily and acne prone skin, but it suits my skin very well. My skin is not extremely dry. It used to be extremely dry, but now it is alright. I think it's gonna suit overall all skin types, and I really like this one. Up next I had this simple refreshing face wash. It has worked really well for me. It has very minimal ingredients, decent formula, pH is good. Their light moisturizer even works fine for me. And this Garnier Micellar water, I can use this as my first cleanser. Though I love Bioderma Sensibio, but this is cheaper and this is non-problematic, and I really like this one. This is fragrance free, works well, does the job it's supposed to do. I do use this as first cleanser, then I follow up with this simple refreshing face wash. But these days I'm liking Cosrx low pH face wash more. So yeah. And what else? One DIY face mask that works for me is mixture of licorice, aloe vera powder, rice flour. So yeah, I have made a video about this. I'm going to leave the link down below. This is one DIY mask I do use. Then petroleum jelly for my lips and for my feet. This is cheap but works very effectively. I have been using castor oil for my eyelashes and eyebrows, and I have seen great results. I'm going to make a video about this very soon. You can buy castor oils from Juicy Chemistry, Dave Herbals, Vilba, Indulgio, actually any good quality oil. And I'm gonna make this video very soon. And yeah, that's all. I'm gonna make a part 2 of this video next month. So if you don't want to miss that out, then please subscribe to my channel right now. It will be very helpful, and thank you so much for watching. And I really hope you found this to be helpful. See you very soon. Bye bye.